Hi guys, this tutorial is going to be about how we create a word cloud and submit that for the All About Me word cloud assignment in Canvas. It can be accessed in your to-do list or by clicking on Start of the Year and All About Me word cloud. You'll notice there is a list of directions here. I'm going to walk through that really quick. You're going to create a word cloud using this link. We will print and hang them in the hallway, so be creative. List at least 65 words to describe yourself, things you're interested in, hobbies, and things you'd like to become or achieve. You can also use a thesaurus for other words. The first word you need to list is your first name. I will show you the basics, but after that you are free to create your own word cloud to represent you. No violent shapes, including pirate crossbones, because that is an option. To submit the assignment, you will come back here and you will submit the image in a file upload. In WordArt, you will select Download Standard PNG, save the documents, and then rename it last name, WordArt. Here is an example of a WordArt that I have created with an Astros logo. My name is a different color, that's important as well. So let's click WordArt to create. First thing you need to do is you need to delete these words. And begin typing your words. Hit enter between. I'm just going to type about 10 to 15 words. The next thing you need to do, you can go ahead and you can click Visualize. Visualizing will just do a preview of one. If you'd like, you can change the shape. There's many options: clouds, to emojis, hearts, money, music. I'm going to select a record. Click Visualize. You'll notice the font will change to something that matches the image. And I like the font as is. If I wanted to change the font, I could select a different font and then select Visualize. And it will alter that. I'll go ahead and leave it as is. The layout, you can change the layout. Leave that horizontal because it'll look better in bold if you leave it as horizontal. Style, you can change the word colors to a custom color if you want, but right now it's chosen based on the background of my record here. I can play with the color emphasis to make it brighter or darker, and then I can also make the background image a little bit darker. I'm going to make mine a little bit more grayer. There you go. And then the next thing you need to do is change your name to a different color font. So I'm going to go back to Words. I'm going to click on David. Also make sure David has a bigger number, or your name, sorry, has a bigger number. And then select the color, and I'm gonna make mine white to contrast with black. So I'm gonna go and find white in the corner, and I'm gonna apply. And now David is white. And that kind of stands out a little bit more. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I feel good about this, I like the way it is, so I'm going to select Download, and I'm going to select Standard PNG. Okay. You can go and rename it to your name, WordArt, and save. Oops, dash WordArt, sorry, your name, dash word. Okay. There we go. That's the right way. And hit save. Now go back to Canvas. Select Submit Assignment. Choose File. go to downloads where your word art would end up, select your word art, select open, and then submit assignment.